All right. Well, Satvik said he's never been on a train.
We got to change that.
I know, because he's going to, as a guest, he's got tickets to Holiday Lights at Calm.
Yes.
And Steve, you are with Holiday Lights at Calm.
I am.
And you're also with KCSOS.
I am,
So
and I'm with the train.
Well, we were going to get to that part.
Oh,
I know that's the most exciting
I
part.
preempted you.
Let's start at the top. So you
Okay.
are with KCSOS.
Yes,
Your
sir.
role with the office is?
I am Chief of Staff here at KCSOS.
All right. And as part of that, one of your assignments or duties, I guess you can call that, or an extra thing that you do, is you participate and work a lot with Calm.
Correct.
And one of the big things they do every year is Holiday Lights at Calm.
Yes,
It's
sir.
become a big family tradition now.
23 years.
23 years. And
Yes,
you know
sir.
what? That's funny you say that, because this is show number 23 of this year. Did
It's
you know
meant to
that?
be? I had no idea.
I didn't know that either until I
No.
saw Satvik holding up the clapboard
Yeah.
and said show number 23.
Perfect.
Because we usually do about 24 every half year, but we're doing 26 this first half of the year. But anyway.
It was great.
So year 23. So how long have you been with the train?
With the train, I think about 7, 8 years.
Okay,
probably.
and how did you get involved with the train at Holiday Lights?
Honestly, so part of my job, as you mentioned, is to work with the folks at Calm, and we have this great group of volunteers that run the train, and I just was so enamored with what they do. I wanted to support them, so I decided I'm going to learn how to drive the train, and so I did.
And so I'm sure you had to get trained in that. It's not
did.
something like, hey, let me just get on the train and start
Exactly.
working this. So
No,
how?
there's a whole process, and so we take it seriously. Obviously, it's all about safety.
Right.
So I was trained by John Trino, who was a volunteer. He actually started the soccer park. That's how a lot of people know him. So he trained me. I had to figure out how to drive, how to do all the signals, how to back up, and then I was certified and have been driving ever since.
Yeah, and we can see folks enjoying the train right there
Yeah.
during Holiday Lights, and
Exactly.
everybody in safely.
Yes, sir.
First thing, but it's all decorated up and things like that.
Yeah.
Any other new attractions at Holiday Lights? Oh, here comes,
There's the whistle.
and we're going to get to that in just a second.
love it.
But new things that they can look forward to at Holiday Lights this year.
Absolutely. So one of the things we have is a new veterans display sponsored by Stinson's. It's a a memorial to our veterans.
Right.
We also have, after Christmas, we're going to be doing character nights for the first time. So we have a Harry Potter night, a Star Wars night, really a way for the kids to celebrate after Christmas and enjoy the lights. And then again, we're doing our New Year's Eve extravaganza with Mento Buru.
Right, I remember that.
A
It's coming up.
family-friendly New Year's Eve party, and they will do a concert, and at 9 o'clock we'll drop the
I was going to
ball.
say, you're doing a New York time, right?
Yes,
so
we are.
actually, when the New York ball drops at midnight, it'll be 9 here, but
So you will be home in your recliner by 10 o'clock.
you're probably correct.
Yes.
But anyway, so we can see that we've got a couple of model trains
Yeah.
here, and there's different scales of trains as far as model train goes.
Yeah.
And the scale that you guys have, it's not like if somebody goes to Amtrak and they're going to take a ride on that kind of a train. It's a little smaller.
It's a little
scale.
smaller. It's 24 gauge is our track, but
Okay.
it's, I believe, about 2/3 size. So it's a big train, but it's not like an Amtrak train.
Right, and the distance of the track.
2/3 of a mile.
So it's 2/3 the size of a regular train.
Yeah,
It's 2/3 of a mile.
Yeah.
You've been doing it for 23 years. This is
there's
show
a theme
23.
here. I'm
All right,
sensing
we're
a
working
pattern.
everything here.
I'm
stuff
sensing
like
a
that.
pattern.
All right, so
And I'm 23 years old.
you're
Imagine that.
23? Hey, you know what?
All right, maybe a couple
I
years
just was
older.
23.
I'm a little
Anyway,
bit older.
Yesterday we had Ashley from the Kern County Museum, and
Yeah.
she had a set of Morse code
Okay.
telegraph receivers and transmitters.
Yeah.
And we were talking about the dots and dashes, dits and dots, and things like that. SOS, common one that a lot of people would know. And train whistles also have codes.
Yes.
So let's talk a little bit about some of
Sure.
the codes that you guys use and some of the
Yeah.
more common ones that
So the
people would
ones
hear.
we use at the Calm train station, which is the Central California Children's Railroad. So when we leave the station, we'll pull the train twice. That lets everybody know we're loaded, ready
Now,
to
hold
go.
on a second. So let me make sure that that's the right thing. All right?
Okay.
You're going to do this twice?
Yeah, it'd probably
like
be
that?
a little quicker, but yes.
We got to wait for it to
generally,
go.
yeah.
I didn't know how long it would go either, you know? It's
Yeah.
like, all right, sorry.
I mean, it's
sorry.
more like choo choo, and
All
then
right.
so then we
Well,
go
let's
out.
see if I can do that there.
Okay.
You see, it's
Little
all the
better,
machinery,
little
but
better.
anyway.
And then when we come to a crossing, so when we leave the train station, we go around and we come to a crossing, we will blow the horn once, twice, and then a quick one, and then another one.
Now
So-
this one shows the signal for a crossing.
Okay.
So we're going. But that's the
That's the
crossing,
crossing itself,
making
correct.
that sound.
Correct.
So let's wait for that thing to get done.
Okay.
Ah, ding, ding, ding. 2 quick ones. So
Yeah.
that's more like the other one that
That's
we were
more
looking
like
for then.
the other one, exactly.
See, that's a little quicker. That's
That's
what
a
you were
little
looking
quicker,
for, right? So I'm
exactly.
trying to be, I'm right on you there, Steve.
And
So-
then we will come into the train station, and at calm, we do the train horn 4 times, pretty quickly.
Okay.
And then we come into the station, we park, and we pull it once to let people know we're stopped, and they can start unloading.
Okay, and let's see, I think we've got,
Yeah.
that's just kind of as you're going around the track and
Yeah.
just some of the background noise of the
Exactly.
train and stuff like that. So once again, this is the one you guys use a lot,
Yeah. That's more what it sounds like when we're leaving. Choo, choo.
going and stuff like
Yeah,
that.
pretty quick. And
All
going,
right.
yes.
And are there any ones that, I mean, because ones that you've not often used,
Mm-hmm.
but there are times when you're like, oh yeah, this came up and
Well,
we're going
there
to
are
have to use this
there
one.
are times, for instance, at Holiday Lights, because it's nighttime. You know, we'll normally say all aboard during the
Oh,
daytime.
you know what? Let's see if we have that.
Yeah, or if not, I can do it for you. There you go. But at night, we'll flash the flashlight a couple times
Right.
to the engineer, so that he, in case he doesn't hear it, he knows, has a visual. That way, he knows he's ready to go.
Now, subways have something a little different because they have doors that close.
Right.
And you have
We have latches,
ropes and things like
volunteers
that, and they close them in
correct.
and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Do you ever have to say, stand clear of the closing doors, please?
Well, what we
Not
do,
close, but
no,
you
they're
do
not
do
closing.
something like that to warn everybody.
Absolutely. So what we do is they get into the train, we latch them in, and then our volunteers are instructed to step back. That way the train master has a visual and knows
And can see.
it's clear, and then he will give the all aboard.
All right. Well, you know what,
Yes.
Steve? We certainly do appreciate your time coming down, talking
thank
to
you
us
for
about the
having me.
codes,
Yeah.
about the train, your involvement with it, and
I had a quick joke, a train joke. I was going
let's hear
to tell a train joke, but it got derailed.
much like that engine
Exactly.
got derailed.
Yeah.
So as far as the 2 trains here, which one looks more like the one at Calm?
This actually looks a lot like our American train. We have 2 trains, the American and the Huntington. And so I would say
And do
this
they
one looks
run?
more.
They're simultaneously running,
Correct.
right? I mean, as
Yeah.
one gets halfway around, basically, you're starting the next one
Yeah.
to get a lot more people through that train
Especially as
ride.
we get busy, exactly. And each train will hold about 60 passengers. So when we bring that other train out, it really helps keep that line down.
All right, I know you had a joke for me, but I have a favor to ask of you.
Don't tell any more jokes?
Sure.
Oh,
So let's say you're getting on the front of the train,
Yeah.
right? And you want everybody to get on. Can you give us an all aboard
Yeah,
real quick?
absolutely.
Like you were at this.
well, I always tell the kids, okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, and we say, all aboard!
See, now there you go. That's the way to wrap it up right
Thank
there.
you.
Thank you,
I
Steve, for
appreciate
coming
it.
in.
Thank
We'll
you.
be back with more right after this.